In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an expense report as a PDF and as an Expensify report. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what each option does, so you can save and share your reports quickly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Expensify account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the section or tab labeled Reports. This is where all of your expense reports are stored. Go ahead and click on Reports. This will take you to a list of reports that have been created in your account, usually sorted by date. Once you're on the Reports page, find the specific report you want to download. You might see reports with different names, dates, or statuses such as Open, Approved, or Reimbursed. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, especially if you manage multiple reports each month. When you've identified the right report, click directly on it to open the detailed view. After the report opens, you'll see all the individual expenses, totals, and any attached receipts. At the top or near the upper right corner of the screen, look for a button labeled More. This is often represented as a text button or sometimes with an icon. Click on More to reveal additional options related to this report. If you don't immediately see the export options, you may need to click More again within a submenu. Some layouts expand a secondary menu where the export and download choices are grouped together. Click More once again if necessary to fully expand these options. Within the expanded menu, you should now see an option labeled Export. Choose this if you want to generate an Expensify report file, or if you need to integrate this data with other systems. Depending on your setup, you might be able to export to a specific format or accounting tool. Select the export option that best matches what your finance team or accountant requires, and follow any prompts that appear. If your goal is to simply save or share a clean copy of the report, look for the option that says Download as PDF. Click on Download as PDF, and your browser will either